About Isaac, hallelujah. When you come into the household of Isaac, there's an issue here about a stew. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Bese khona umfazi ophekela indoda yakhe isithu. So taba king isithu. Till the Lord had to sit me down. Because now we need to be taught. And he's like, when you don't have the right digestive system, the stew will steal your birthright. But when you're a father, it releases a blessing. Stews are not for sons. Stews are for fathers. Hear me, Church of Christ today. Stews are not for sons. Because when I give you a stew as a son, it will steal your birthright. But when I give the father the stew, it releases. Why? Because his digestive system has now worked out and knows how to swallow the stew. Let me expose you.